Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another day Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday, July 6th. Hope you guys had a good, safe Independence Day, 4th of July weekend here. Hey, jump right into it. We got kind of a light news week this week. One of the big ones this week is the ISM non-manufacturing, or also known as ISM services. This is obviously the services industry. As you can see, it jumped up a little bit. So expectations were supposed to go down to 55 from 55.7, and it actually went upwards to 56%. So that's actually good news, showing some expansion in our services industry. The other news for this week will be Wednesday when we get the notes from the Fed meeting, FOMC notes, and then also the weekly jobless claims. Otherwise, it's pretty quiet. So most of the news, of course, will probably turn to Greece. Stock market's down as a result of Greece. Sunday, as we discussed last week, there's a referendum, and they voted down the austerity measures. The Greeks were not in favor of it. So this is kind of setting the path, most likely, for them to exit the Eurozone. So, and then it'll be interesting to see from the rest of us if anyone else may also kind of follow that path. There's quite a few other countries. Spain is a possibility, but there's a very good possibility of Portugal that could follow in that suit. As if you ever look at their debt compared to what their GDP is, the ratios are very much out of line. Also, smaller news is a nuclear deal with Iran coming up tomorrow, and this is kind of pushing down the oil reserves. So oil is kind of coming down as a result, figuring that if this is struck, a lot of sanctions will go away as a result. Also, Iran will be able to push out more oil. They got a lot of oil in reserves in anticipation, so they can increase the market and therefore also keep up lower the gas price or oil price, which will be for a lot of us gas prices. Bond market, great improvement. As we can see, we are seeing a nice improvement in the bond market. We've been for a while now. We've been kind of going this sideways pattern. So for a while they were going down, and now we're kind of this sideways pattern going through in these as you can see in these areas here, right about the 105 level to the 106. We've been kind of floating in this pattern here. At some point, this is obviously going to break out, go one way or the other. Now, we could be in a transition with this whole Greek situation, and then maybe some other countries at some point they may start turning to look at some other countries that may look at this, like I said, maybe Portugal, and this could break out and potentially help out interest rates in the short term here. But just want to give you a heads up as to we got a nice improvement today from in interest rates as the market is down, stock market's down today. All right, folks. Hey, have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. Take care.